Welcome to our weekly Live AMA. Let's start from our short promo videos.
You can now swap tokens seamlessly right in chat with our AI-powered trading terminal. No more switching platforms. Manage your portfolio effortlessly through intuitive conversations. Experience the future of DeFi automation now at your fingertips. We added AI to our token analytics. Here, you can analyze the data in the dashboard and provide a summary of the most significant trends and anomalies for yourself. Or just ask anything in natural language. Amaze your audience. Generate Twitter posts summarizing key insights from the dashboard. Indicate bullish or bearish trends on the market.
Easily set up price notifications and actions. Receive them in the AI Hub. Choose token and price change amount in percents per hour to notify you. Change price threshold to watch for in one click. Stop following price without hustle.
Okay, enough of
Hello.
promo videos. Hello, here's our CEO, Evgeny, and he will today unveil our AI trading terminal. Without further ado, over to you, Evgeny.
Hello, everyone. As I said already, today I'm at East Denver, and we work at East Denver, so that's why you see that it's not my regular environment. And today is a big day. Today we are swapped Dex Guru, like original Dex Guru, which we launched 4 years ago, with a new version with AI as a first-class citizen, and they're helping people to trade, helping people to research the markets, and so on and so forth. And we would go over the details, how it's all works, like what's new on this Dex Guru domain, and you've seen partially what's new in there in those promotional videos at the very beginning. But we'll go through the whole process, like how sign up works, how you're getting in, what's you getting in there, and how to swap the tokens using the LLM. So today is a big day. Dex Guru finally swapped to a new version, which is like AI Dex Guru, and let's go over it in a little bit. First of all, for new people joining, we are here at Guru Network. We started as Dex Guru 4 years ago. Dex Guru is DeFi trading terminal for 180 DEXs, 18 chains, 1.5 million of tokens, like all DeFi ecosystem is in there. And over the years, on top of Dex Guru and indexation pipeline and all those frameworks we've built, we've decided to create Guru Network with Guru token and utility around Guru token embedded into the applications which we build in using the framework we initially set up to build Dex Guru. And now, why today is the date? Now we swapped Dex Guru with a new version, which is built from scratch using our framework, using AI orchestration in there, and using like new Web3 orchestration mechanisms and all around it. So without further waiting, let's go to actual demo, and I'm starting presenting it right now. Everything good? We see it in here, right? So we started from Token Explorer as usually, like in traditional Dex Guru, and then you can connect as a wallet, or you can log in through Telegram. And those two options we are working on in the last couple of weeks, because as you remember, we initially started as a Telegram mini app, so there was only one option of login, but to actually swap Dex Guru like a web app and actual mobile app with this new interface, we incorporated this sign up option for connecting through the wallet, and but we still have all those interfaces hooked up to Telegram, basically where we expecting to notify people about what we're doing in here. We created interface for it, and it's AI agent interface, which we'll show later. In regards of like traditional Dex Guru functionality, everything is in there, as you can see, and you can explore the tokens. You see all the chartings, you see all the activity. You can swap the tokens. You see this blue button at the bottom right. So whenever you enter this do your own research mode, you can still do it. So all the functionality which been there before is still in there. Maybe it looks differently. But additionally to this functionality, what we actually added is all this analytics functionality with a merge of two LLM as well. And you can see it in here in analytics section. So, and we added new dashboard for our Dex Guru, which you hadn't seen before. It's like summary of all what we had in market selector before, like all the top tokens by volume, recently listed, gainers, losers, trending, and so on and so forth. And the main kind of AI features in there is that you can actually talk to this data. There is agent with access to data from this dashboard, as well as with access to like all other data, which we have like prices, we have liquidity, we have volume, and all of this becomes like a data which is absorbed by the agent. So you yourself don't need to think of it. Like the general idea here is that instead of researching the tokens and figuring out all those things yourself, now you have an agent which is doing that for you, and with which you can talk to, as well as we would have scheduled like activities on there which are delivered to the agent as well, and agent doing the summaries for you or some kind of market reports daily, and then executing the transactions based on those reports. So in current version, we releasing those things as they happening by your kind of initiative. You as a user need to ask actual LLM and like AI about the markets, and then you need to ask to actually swap the tokens. And but in next version, all of this could be happening automatically, and like based on the scheduled reports or based on the like triggers from the markets, your agent actually deciding to buy or sell something from your portfolio on operational wallet, and it's actually able to execute it. So those are the next step. But now what we see in there again, it's like dashboards with analytics based off Dex Guru data. It's also we have a dashboard, for example, for social mindshare, and which I was presenting to you last week in Miles application. And LLM is used to talk to this data. And the interesting thing in there is that when you're talking to this data, to those dashboards and to the data, all the results and all this like conversational context, it goes to AI Hub, and along with it, if you connected your Telegram, it goes to your Telegram account as well. So in DMs, you have results of those research, and you have those, for example, price notifications, so whales transactions notifications in your TG, and process through like LLM and process through the agent. What it gives you, basically a way to combine everything in one place, as well as be always on top of what's going on in the markets, and but not being overwhelmed by all those notifications and everything. So coming back to AI Hub, so what you see in there is actually like a sign-up process, which gives you basically operational wallet, and then it transfers initial rewards in our reward system. In this, and you see the actual sign up kind of notifications and everything. It goes to personal assistant right now, and personal assistant thread is the main thread inside the application, where everything what you do getting posted along with your along with uh, the same kind of info getting posted to your Telegram account if you connected the Telegram. And you see in here there is like connect Telegram, like a task. If you want the same kind of functionality, dropping info into your Telegram, you're doing this connect Telegram, and it's being duplicated. So if you want to be notified from your mobile interface in Telegram, that's the option here as well. The same goes for requesting something from LLM. If you connected your Telegram, you may want to just chat with the same bot, with the same functionality, with the swap functionality in your Telegram. If you don't want to go, have no ability to go to web interface, you still have this like fast shortcut option, and I believe it's very cool because we all in crypto. Telegram isn't there always, and that's what we are proposing here in regards of combining those interfaces like LLM and Telegram notifications. So here we have like our operational wallet, like profile of the user, and that's how you actually getting funds into your operational wallet right now from, for example, MetaMask. So LLM could actually manage those funds, and you can start swapping, and you can start building your portfolio based using the AI agent, and creating this kind of developing and basically designing this integration between Web3, LLM, operational wallet, and all those user forms which you need to go through is like giving ability to understand what's actual like Guru framework is. Like we to get to this point with operational wallet provisioned for you, so you don't need like anything else. And LLM actually controlling this wallet, and you able to top it up and everything. To get to there, we improved our Guru framework a lot, which is used across many applications, and right now like 5 of them, right? And the same functionality would be spread around, which is very cool. So now we actually swapping ETH to Guru. Of course, what else which we can swap into after receiving some info on the top tokens and everything. And you see how we started to the transaction is started. The LLM is actually figuring out all the parameters of the transactions, and if you want to, if it doesn't have enough information, it provides you like with heads up what else you need to add in there, and to get to initiate and proceed with transactions successfully. So that's exactly what happens right now. So LLM describes to you what it does, approving tokens by itself, like if approval is needed. Also, it's getting the quote from transaction from aggregators like dBridge, 1inch, Paraswap, and getting you the best deal on the market. So you see here, it figured out that Paraswap got you the best deal on the market to actually exchange Ethereum to Guru token, and that's got processed. It works very similar to our traditional trading form in Dex Guru, where you were able to kind of put what you're selling, what you want to buy, and then you had multiple options, like with kind of the best routes to proceed. But instead of like giving you results of the query to all those aggregators and giving you a choice, it's basically just picking one by itself, because it's artificial intelligence, right? And proceeding with it. So you see in your operational wallet, in operational wallet, we got some Guru, we got some ETH, and actual transaction happened. So coming back to what else would we see in there as next steps of like making our AI trader terminal even better. It's the first version. We finally swapped Dex Guru with it, and now we're going to work on providing more uh, analytics in the same way as this analytics section right now built, and we changed the way it's built. So now it's not like something nailed down or fixed in there like forever. It's coming from our data warehouse where those uh, dashboards and everything could be shuffled easily. So we would be putting more and more data in there. Would be different dashboards, and that allows us to extend the context of LLM by which it's making decisions, providing you reports and everything further and further. And that's one of the main differences to old Dex Guru as well, like ever extendable analytics. And of course, reward systems. That's what you see in here. Those rewards, that's actually what differs new Dex Guru from old Dex Guru a lot, because now you can earn the points. Now we have Guru token. Now you can swap, and when you swap in using the trading agent, you have points for points transferred to you for each swap, and then you can claim Guru tokens of Guru tokens based off the points you are actually you actually earned, during the swaps, during the different actions you went through in here. And it's like a weekly activity. You see, we topped up our Guru chest for this week, so everyone who's coming to Dex Guru could participate in our rewards program. And for season 2 and season 1 pass holders, in the end of the week, there was this like epoch which started yesterday from Wednesday to Wednesday. We would have special prizes and new kind of quests in Guru section here just for them. So check new product, get yourself Guru DAO NFT if you want to earn Guru and claim points for Guru. Try our swapping mechanisms, get some rewards from the swaps as well. Check our analytics, and of course use our traditional token explorer, as you were always using it for 4 years almost. And of course all the swap functionality, new operational world functionality. So that's what's being delivered in as part of AI trading terminal in here. Yeah, so that's the demo we wanted to go through today. And cool. Do we have any questions going on?
When AI trading terminal unveiling, it's happening right now.
So yeah, it's basically today is the launch date, and we swapped Dex Guru, our traditional trading terminal, with AI trading terminal. So now you have all those AI features and analytics features in place, as well as LLM can swap tokens and everything I showed. It's already there. Go to Dex Guru, check it yourself, and yeah. Code. Do we have any other questions? Just pick some.
I'm checking our Discord, checking our Twitter, checking our Telegram. No new questions.
So the latency between user chat and AI response is a bit slow. Yeah, and our front-end team is aware of it, and they actually improved it a lot. If you checked it last week, you compare it to this week, I believe it's 2 times different already. Yeah, and we have a way to kind of make performance faster in there. But have in mind that there are several steps in there which are going, and we synchronize it with TG as well, which takes some time. But right as the process started to work, we are making pieces of it asynchronous. So, for example, synchronization with TG happens at the same time when you're receiving the same message in UI. So that speeds up the process. And thank you for your feedback. We are going to make it faster. But one of the main things I wanted to mention, our kind of user story in there lays more towards you receiving results from LLM in the form of like different daily reports or price notifications or something else. So we envisioning most of the use cases is not like you discussing something with AI chat and like on daily basis, like regularly. It's more like you set up your favorite tokens, you set up price notifications for them, you set up or LLM setting up as a result of your conversations, setting up for you those reports, and then you start receiving them, and based on them there is some portfolio reshuffling, or you giving your feedback. So it would be and it is kind of a synchronous process, but with in-deep dive into analytics data. So because of this in-deep dive, there are some steps there which are taking some time, because it's researching some tokens and researching another ones and diving deeper, like in interconnections between them, and it's all like different database requests. So imagine yourself going through the same screens, how many screens you would go through to combine this report. So that's what's happening behind the scenes. We make it faster. In the same time, we're saving the main goal to it is save time for you. So when you're doing your own research, when you're going through the same kind of things, when you're exploring some tokens, you basically spend in 5 minutes, and LLM can do it in 1 minute. But it's still the process. Good question, by the way. What else we have there? When Miles released, it's actually released. It's got soft launch, so we have Miles.Guru Network AI, and it's fully functional in the group. There are posts provided by Guru AI and everything else. They have their own plans of like getting more people in the Telegram group, where most of the people would be dropping into AI trading terminal as well. So they have plans of getting more people in there from their Discord, which has thousands of people, and they planning on doing it, I believe, in the end of this week, as Ferdy mentioned. So it would be much. So right now it's already released, but it's like soft release, and they planning on like doing like real release with getting thousands of people on board in the course of like end of this week and maybe start of the next week. But they planning for the end of this week. So and user friendly.
I saw your message on Discord, of course, and thank you for reaching out to us. What we do basically is iterative. Now we unveiling version 1 or 0.1 of AI trading terminal, and we want to make sure that everything works properly. And after that, answering the question about latency, when everything works properly, we make it faster, not before. So we fully understand that UI can be more simplified, more user-friendly, more fast, more effective, but on-chain is a little bit different than Web 2. So that's
It's
one of the reasons why LLM takes so long to answer to you, because it's not the data readily available in a point of a second. So let's return to this conversation a bit later when we will.
I don't agree here. UI wise, drop everything what you see UI wise right here, right now, because and thanks for this feedback. For example, today we were swapping up Guru Network AI with Dex Guru, and I was like myself going through the tokens, because I'm using Dex Guru, and I found that market selector at the top, like search mechanism, is like what we need like immediately in there, and I immediately got a text to our designer, and we doing the same. So those features like changing buttons somewhere, adding some elements which you're expecting to be somewhere, please provide us feedback right now, because lots of things still will be changing after this release. And yeah, thanks for doing it. And we ourselves changing a lot of things. For example, the market selector and search bar would be up there on every page, no matter where you are in AI Hub, in tokens, in analytics, and features like that. They easy to fix because it's like UI fixes, but sometimes developers just don't see them, as the users. So thank you, sir.
Brino, your feedback regarding UI and UX to our Discord, to our Telegram, or even in comments there, because we can use them to make everyone's life easier, and yours first.
When Haven release, yeah, with Haven, we were planning on releasing like 3 weeks ago, actually. But then we talked about our plans on AI Hub and how agents would be working and everything, and they were like, "Oh, let's wait till that actually works." And now, as it works, as we launched it for AI Trading Terminal, we would propagate it to Heaven, and Haven would be ready for release, and we would start like preparing for this after they would go over the feature list and check that. Actually, Kyle AI, because the name of AI in Haven is Kyle AI. Kyle AI works as they wanted to work before release, and start doing it. Also, we had some conversations in regard of like market conditions. It's hard to release those applications which are focused on trading and on like aping and DJing when the whole market is wrecked. For example, if you release the application and you're getting people on board who you expect them to trade something or like get into some tokens, and the whole market is like going down, it's not the it wasn't the best time for releasing things, but yeah, now we hooked up everything what we needed from technical standpoint, and probably market will pick up after all this wreckage. Yeah, and with those 2 points combined, we're releasing everything. And that's exactly the point why we have Guru framework to make changes in one place, and everywhere it's starting to work.
And we have a question from Runa on X. How will the AI trading terminal adapt to volatile market conditions in real time?
So the next step in there, is having periodic checks and having on overall market reports. And it's basically we have this real-time analytics dashboards on all the on the market conditions, and we have this gauge like positive, negative, and everything. So LLM receiving reports, or your personal assistant receiving reports of this dashboard can start notifying you in real time if volatile market conditions came and you need to reshuffle your portfolio. That's the one thing which is already kind of work in there with price notifications, and it would work in there with this kind of overall market dashboard. And the next step after, and that's why we introduced swaps through LLM mechanism, is applying at least like stop loss strategies, some other strategies, so AI can actually make decision for you to get out of positions if there are like terrible conditions and you like for example you're sleeping, right? So that's how it could be very helpful. And with all those pieces now working, that's what we build in next, like LLM, which actually have a feedback loop, which actually have those scheduled reports, and based on those reports, it's swapping back and forth your portfolio. Yep.
And the next question is, what are the next major milestones for the Guru network after this launch?
So yeah, one of the major milestones for the Guru network and Guru framework as part of this network is publishing our wizard for launching those applications, and that would be a next kind of launch for us, like a big launch where you would be able to go through the wizard and get your own application with your own AI agent, and which is working in your own like communities and groups. That's how we envision grow the whole ecosystem for Guru Network, because more applications utilizing our framework, more applications utilizing our reward system, more applications utilizing Guru token inside the reward system and everywhere. And the fees which are generated from those installations coming back to the community, and that's actually launching our economy flywheel for Guru token. So that's the next big step for Guru Network. As for the next big step for AI trading terminal, as one of our as one of our ecosystem projects and one of the major projects, we going to add more and more functionality in there in regards of like trading abilities, automated trading abilities, reshuffling portfolio, different basic strategies. We'll start from basic strategies. And all those actions have Guru incorporated there. So when you swap in, there is some Guru economy behind it. When you earning rewards, there is other one. And for different types of agents, and you see now we have agent selector in there. We would have some agents like rewarding you for usage of them and rewarding you for providing some additional insights and everything. And some agents would be opposite. Some agents you would be paying in Guru points for usage of them because they're giving you very unique value and so on and so forth. So extending this catalog of features by extending a catalog of agents available for you in our AI trading terminal and in all applications across the board, that's the next priority for us. So there are two priorities for Guru Network after this launch. One is expanding the ecosystem overall, so making it simpler to spin up applications, so we have more applications in Guru Network ecosystem. As the next one is extending features and services catalog, which could be utilized in this ecosystem. So Guru token basically used in there, and there is demand for it, and we're launching this flywheel.
And we have a next question from our the most active Discord members, Theo, and the question is pretty short. When
question
marketing?
For when I was when marketing. Actually, it's good question, and we need to provide like something like marketing report for marketing improvements report for the community for the last months, because we on our side we improved several things marketing wise. We improved how content is basically created. We improved things related to different like fields, activities, and everything. So let's combine it, provide reports for the community based of our engagement statistics from X. I believe it's growing pretty good right now, based of our engagement statistics in the groups. And marketing is growing, marketing is happening, and we have bigger marketing partners. And about those, we already talked about those releases and what's actually holding those or not. And yeah, still, thanks for reminding us of major things every time.
Thank you, Steo. And at the moment, we do not have any new questions.
Oh, I see from YouTube. The way the three most important menu items, AI, swap, and task, can be properly positioned.
Well, I feel that discussing rearranging buttons
Mobile.
for 100 people could be easily moved to Discord. Let's have this discussion in Discord, Mr. Godswill.
Yeah, and but one of the major things is to pass it over to our product manager Max and designer Genka, so they would have all those comments in mind when they constantly working on the designs for the framework, on the designs for AI trading terminal and everything. So people's like voice is heard, and yeah, at least we and actually we can discuss it on tomorrow daily, like all those comments, and respond in Discord accordingly.
Yeah, totally. Current logic in buttons arranging is first you go to actions as a new user. You make some actions to get rewards. Then you go to speak to AI Hub. And after talking to your LLM agent, you can be interested in analytics, in token terminal, and initially in swap. That's what is behind of the logic how buttons arranged now. But it's discussable.
One of the main things which we're changing in there already, and that's based on our internal discussion today, is that on top of the interface in web and in mobile, we add in evergreen like a search bar, which would search by the tokens, by the AI agents, by the dashboards, and that would be this place where you go to get anywhere in one click and type in something. Yeah, there is a need for that, and I see it as a main kind of navigational point, became a main navigational point besides the button in the menu, and good feedback on the buttons in the menu. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, you have around 1 minute to ask more questions. Don't hesitate. Put them on YouTube. Put them on Twitter or X. If you like, put them in Discord.
Yeah, what I wanted to mention to our community, we what I wanted to announce to our community is that we will be sending messages for the users who got the Telegram bot at any point of time to like app Guru Network AI Telegram bot, and we have about like 1,700 of users who confirmed their relationships with the bot. So today we will be sending the message in regards of our new AI trading terminal features in there. So and that would introduce the whole crowd which we collected in there in last like half a year to try use it and everything. So don't be scared if app Guru Network AI Telegram bot would start texting you like, oh, there is new release. That's what's in there. Please check and so on and so forth. Just letting the community know. And those are one of the ways we going to get users on board with whom we have direct communications to Dex Guru, as well as we'll be promoting Zap the same way for Miles community, because we can send the messages them as well. Yeah, we are not talking usually any price actions here. So yeah, like it's markets. Let's see, right? But one of the main goals for us in regards of Guru token utility overall. So we launching those applications, so there would be natural demand for people to get Guru token. Besides, like those marketing efforts or anything what can bring token price up or down. What we wanna where we get into and what we wanna get to is actual like economical flywheel running and people buying Guru token because they need those points to spend on the LLM agents as well as to spend on trading activities and so on and so forth. And by having multiple applications where that stuff is utilized, and we believe we can launch it for several thousands of people at once, so that flywheel, when it's launched, will create natural demand for Guru token. And that's actually we envision as a much more kind of healthy and a powerful way of proceeding forward with all this token action, and it's sustainable. Like creating the products which are used by the people, and creating Guru token utility there.
Product market fit is the best solution for price actions that you would
Product
like.
market fit is the best solution for everything, and in a way of AI trading terminal delivered to every community, I believe we've got to the product market fit already. We just polishing it and expand it.
I share a link with other people. I refer to the Guru app, but they complain they are unable to get the riddles from the AMA videos. The thing is, this is a solution made for big YouTubers, and it's a simple and elegant solution for people to actually watch the video. If you watched this stream and when you will watch this video later, you've seen riddle hunt clue at least 3 times. So if people can if I mention it by voice, you just go to YouTube, you see the transcript and get this right away. And if you are using simple mechanism like actually watching the video and reading clues from screen, we can be sure, and our clients who will use this solution can be sure that you actually watch the video. So if they complain they are unable to get the riddles from the AMA videos, we are sorry, but that's the way it works. You actually have to watch it.
You watching the video, getting the video, and basically submitting it in there, and that's the way it works. To get to this portion where riddle hand is actually shown, people need to go through Guru AI DAO NFT collection minting, and that's actually what's shown to everyone when they switch into Guru section. Yeah, and yeah, that's the way it works. What we actually working on right now is rewards assistant here. So there is like personal assistant, which always hooked up to your like DMs and all communications with app. There is like trading Guru, which allowing you to swap stuff, and then there is like rewards assistant, which is which can execute all those rewards quests and suggest you something and everything. So it would be much easier for people to participate in all those activities. And
By the way,
we
small detail, you can see on the screen every swap and trade and cross-chain swap. You earn 50 Guru points for any one of
yeah
these actions.
yeah, and similarly, rewards agent would be executing different reward mechanism. It's coming. As I said, it's what we also working internally on right now. So yeah. Do we have any other questions?
I'm checking our socials, Discord, Telegram. No new questions at the moment.
So yeah, kudos to the team. Congrats everyone. It's actually a big step that we got rid of like old Dex Guru and old Dex Guru domain and finally swapped it with a new version which we supported from our framework. It's a huge step, and the expansion of it is only ahead. Like expansion of functionality, expansion of analytics, reporting, all this like portfolio management and everything. So now, as we pass through that step, that's where our focus is going to lie on, and expanding Guru framework abilities. So we can put it into different communities, and it has this unique feature set which everyone loves and wants. That's the only way, and as Guru token incorporated in there, it creates utility and unlocks this flywheel. So that's how we envisioning all those things working.
I've connected my MetaMask and I have some Guru tokens. How can I start swapping using the AI? Just go to the AI hub and ask LLM something like swap Guru tokens on ETH to tokens you like on ETH or other blockchain. If LLM will need some additional information from you, it will just ask the question and initially get this transaction right. That's how it should work. And if everything goes not as expected, put all your concerns in our Discord or Telegram chat.
Yeah, that's the one thing, but you have to be aware that all those transactions LLM doing using operational wallet. So when you're in your profile, you can top up your operational wallet from external wallet, and after this, LLM actually have funds to to do stuff. So yeah.
So yeah, you have to top up your operational wallet from your connected wallet. It could be a bit confusing, but your connected wallet is used to authorize you, and your operational wallet is a simple sandbox which helps you to trade without connecting your actual wallet and with zero chance to compromise it this way.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Can you sell me pumpkin NFT?
Who owns Pumpkin NFT actually?
We went to the fun part. Everyone who owns possibly Pumpkin NFT, please.
Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. I need to check. Maybe it's me. I need to check. Yeah. Ping me in the group. I will check if I have Pumpkin NFT. Thank you. Kudos to the team. They were working hard to make this release happening, and maybe it doesn't looks like hard work, but with all this, there is lots of work in backend to make things happening like they're happening right now. In the course of 4 months, we switched from Telegram mini app concept and from only one way of login to like web app and to log with your wallet and the whole AI agents interface was introduced in there with like the whole messaging interface introduced. It's like really amazing what's been done in this month. So thank you and kudos to the team for doing it.
And thanks for everyone of 123 people who watching us at this small unveiling. Thank you for all your questions. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all your recommendations, all your advices on UI, UX, how what should work.
And
We are
let's publish a demo which we were showing today, like how to top up your wallet, how to do all those things. Let's publish the demo. Maybe speed it up a little bit, so everyone can go through it and see how to use it. As well as Max is working on new Git book where all the same functionality would be explained, and we would be sharing the link as well. Okay.
great idea.
Thank you for your time. Thanks for your questions. And only the bright future is ahead. We are releasing stuff, and we getting up to speed with all the market trends and all the edge stuff, as I see it right now. So
Yeah,
thank
guys,
you
don't
guys.
forget your
See you.
sunglasses because
Yeah,
future
see
is
you.
bright.
Yeah. See you next week.
And thank you, Evgeny, for making all this happen. We'll see you around.